me nicely.
It's beautiful outside.
It's a beautiful night.
And I just so happened to meet up with a Mets fan. And we're on an adventure. And this isn't one of those I'm back videos, but the weather is nice. Okay? The weather is nice. And who the hell likes to vlog in the winter? So it's beautiful weather, and we're out here. We got Sean and Rob on camera. Rob, where the hell you are? He's right there.
And popped out 4 or 5 videos back to back right before it got super cold. And then
Cold weather hit. I don't exist. I do not go out in the cold.
memories made in the coldest weather.
Listen, I ain't made those memories because I wasn't outside in no cold winters.
Gotta give everybody a life update, you know what I'm saying? A lot has changed since we went to the Met.
A lot has changed. We went to the Met.
Where when we came out of the Met, it was snowing. It was fucking snowing.
We came out the Met and life changed, but it's 72 degrees right now, and we are live in New York. Well, not live because, you know, but I'm currently live here. First things first, let the record show that I am scared as hell because I have this mounted on a tilter clamp on like that. And it looks wobbly as hell. Super wobbly. Alright? Don't point too many cameras on it, it gets camera shy. What are we doing today, Rob? You want to explain to the world? Because I still don't know.
So today, our good friends over at Anker are announcing their entire lineup. It's Anker Day, which means Eufy, Eufy Clean, Eufy Security, Eufy Baby, Solex, Anker Work, whatever's under the brand is what they're going to showcase here today at Anker.
Whole umbrella.
The whole umbrella. So we're going to see some cool stuff. You know me, I like my portable chargers. You know, I like, you know, all that. No?
We can't clip it onto because they don't want us messing up their paint, so we're gonna have to reschedule this shoot. We about to get kicked out before we even go in. There's no chip in the paint. But we are at Madison Square Garden. Well, Madison Square Garden is on the other side. We're at one plaza, Madison Park Plaza. Two Penn Plaza.
Pennsylvania Plaza.
That's where we at. We're playing Monopoly.
We're next to Los Tacos Número Uno.
Yes.
If you're ever in New York, you need to come here.
Los Tacos Número Uno. I don't know where number 2s are, but those are number 1s. We're like literally ahead of schedule. It's 5:55 and the event starts at 7. Shout out to people who get places on time and early. I'm one of them. Died in there. This shit almost took. So we're here with this Anker event, and in my bags, I keep a portable charger all the time. Those of you who follow me on Instagram know that I put it on my everyday carry list because it's literally my everyday carry. But this brand has something that I don't know what it is. Every time I think I don't need anything, they turn around and show me something that I now need. We're gonna show you something. So over here we have the Anker Prime docking station. Everything you could think of. Ethernet, USBs, HDMIs. Then you have your Type-Cs in the front. And just powering everything and sending it straight to your computer. This is insane. And now I need this. This is the one that I keep in my bag every day, right? And then they have the charging station, but then you got this bad boy over here, which you got 250 watts with 27K power. This is the 9.6 at 65 watt. And this one, you charge it on the bottom here. You got the little hub, you put it in there, but the little touch button here so you can know exactly how much battery you have, how much time you've been running it for, Bluetooth. This is it right here. This is incredible. So that's gonna be my next one for sure. But this thing, I don't really have a space to put this, and that's the only reason why I haven't gotten it. But I also love that. Now, those who know me know that I love audio. So for people with big ears, they have super big headphones. You know, clip it. Who you think be rocking these? These are crazy. Last year, I also spent a very grand amount of time over the summer running. And the one thing that was always bothering me was that I was running outside, and running outside is cool, it's great until like you have noise canceling earphones and you don't know who's going back and forth and stuff. Also like the sweat, it makes it uncomfortable. Soundcore is also a brand by Anker, and they got these cool little earphones. Now these right here go in your ear, but not inside. Like they rest right on top of the ear so that you can also hear the sound from outside, but also hear your music. And they come in pretty cool colors. The black and the green as well are dope. We also have the upgrades for the clip-on earbuds, which also come in different colors. And those go in the ear. But these are cool because similar to the other ones, they clip on to the outside of your earlobe, and they literally go right here. So again, for running, biking, you're aware of your surroundings. You can hear the outside, and they're small and lightweight. And you probably won't even notice them, even with the case. Probably about the size of AirPods. They're pretty cool. For the price that they go for, is also something that's very affordable, and you got good tech, good sound, all with a good reason to have those particular earphones. Right, Rob?
Yeah, I just saw my next robot vacuum. Stay tuned.
This guy is a robot vacuum whisperer.
Because we have leather.
Yeah.
You know, like those.
You got the 25 and the 28 here. This one turns into your own vacuum, so you can take the thing out and get your vacuuming going. And then we have the 25 over there that does it. But these little smart things, they cool as hell. They'll avoid whatever you have on the floor. Look, it doesn't even hit the wall.
Oh yeah.
So under Anker, we have Solix, then we have Anker, and then Anker makes, and Eufy makes, and then Eufy Security. So they also have some of the security cameras here, and I think that's a 3D printer over there. That's what it looks like. And then for the home stuff with the vacuums and stuff, as Rob says he loves, we have the Anker Make over here.
Oh, okay.
Little 3D printer. The camera does not do this justice because these are incredible. And these are all printed from the
UV printer.
Oh, this is cool.
Yeah, all things we print by our devices.
All of this is printed?
Yes.
The texture on all of this is really cool.
Yeah.
And it prints directly onto the bottle or the case?
Directly, yes.
What kind of materials can you use to print on it?
Like metal, wood, acrylic, glasses, or leather, all kinds of material.
Oh, this is
300
cool.
materials. Phone case.
This is really cool. It's really textured. Like you can feel the difference in texture. Oh, these are all like 3D. I don't know if you can't see that on the camera, but this is cool. This is specifically this cool as hell.
Yeah.
It is very cool. I'm assuming there's a smaller version?
No, we have 3 different attachments. This is for stickers.
Okay.
So sometimes you can print this sticker on the skateboard.
This is cool as hell.
Yeah.
What material is the sticker? Is it a vinyl?
Yes, we can print vinyl and UV DTF film.
Yeah, so this is a printer or a cutter?
This is lamination.
Oh, okay, yeah.
This is the devices, and this is attachment.
Okay, this is so cool.
Yeah, and that is attachment for the cups and template.
Oh, the sublimation.
Yeah.
That's
correct.
cool. So lastly, we got the security systems, which I know over the past couple years or so, they've upgraded their security, they've upgraded their nighttime footage. And if I'm not mistaken, over there, that's nighttime footage and it looks clear as day. Whatever it is that they're doing is actually really dope as hell. This is the UFI security stuff.
Survey of more than 200 UFI security customers showed that 84% of those polled preferred the benefits of AI capabilities over the cloud. Today, we're announcing a new direction for UFI built around real-time customization and proactive control. UFI security is evolving to become your private local AI agent. The private local AI agent will intervene urgently whenever suspicious behavior is spotted, including intruders shining a flashlight inside your car seats, or your floorboard looking for valuables inside. This new level of proactive defense extends to porch pirates as well. The Bullet Cam offers 4K resolution, while the PTZ camera delivers 2.5K resolution with 360-degree hand-and-tilt flexibility to dramatically reduce blind spots.
So now we're at the talk for solar and for general Anker products.
And today we welcome a new member to the Anker family, the Anker Prime Thunderbolt 5 docking station. It's finally catching up to how we live.
Of all the announcements today, that leaves us with one thing that I haven't spoken about. Not for any specific reason, but it would be their projectors, which they are also showcasing here. So their Nebula would be the projector, and this is bright, clear footage, honestly. So the front of this actually rotates also, so you can properly align your footage, whatever you're watching. It's cool as hell. You can see it rotating. This is cool. Imagine having to charge your phone and the only wall plug that you have is that. That's crazy. So with AI, this camera detects when people are taking your package right here. So if I was to go and grab it, immediately it says you've been caught, you got some lights, and it gives a description of what happens. This is crazy. So an exceptional time with Anker and all of the stuff that they have to offer. And in my opinion, the highlight is the Prime docking station. Oh my God. We're talking $399 on Amazon, available today, with so much to offer, from Thunderbolt 5 to fast charging, a bunch of adapters. This really, I need this. Can you tell them to send me one?
Yeah.
I need one of these. Can you tell them to send me one? Is there one in the back that they could just like, oh, here, take it?
Do you work for media?
Yes,
Okay, so I will involve our different products.
I would appreciate that. Thank you.
Just one.
It's been a day. It's been a great day. We got Sean here. We've seen a lot of shit today. A lot of great stuff. A lot of great announcements. But that's it. It's time to go home. I love talking about this stuff. I love going to these events. But I also love going home to sleep. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Be sure to like and subscribe and all that stuff. Share this. Tell me what is your favorite product from Anker or from Solix or from Soundcore or whatever they have here. I want to know what your favorite. How you just cut?
Make sure y'all subscribe. Subscribe to the channel.
Make sure y'all subscribe.
Look at that notification bell.
Ski Media. All of that. Everybody's link is gonna be below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Ah, they got you. Gotcha. Yeah, finesse. Go ahead.
Why you hesitating?
Wait, let's get it. You ready?
Are you ready?
Go ahead.
You gotta run, bro.
You gotta leave the premises.
Man, looking like a Jabberwocky.
Yo, do a dance move.
You gotta break it down.
You gotta.